everyone, this is Ida from Harmony. We make a lot of videos about CBD products, hemp and cannabis, so hit the subscribe button and make sure to not miss out on any of the videos. So today I'm super excited to introduce you to the new Harmony Pen. We have crafted the most affordable CBD pen in the world. This is a great device for anyone who wishes to get into CBD vaporization. The Harmony Pen comes in two separate parts, the battery and the cartridge. Inside you will also find a USB charger. Each cartridge contains 1 ml of liquid and 100 mg of CBD. The cartridges comes in two flavors. We have the OG Kush, which is our most popular cannabis flavor. This is a great flavor for any cannabis smoker. And then we have the Mint, which is a very nice and refreshing flavor for any cigarette smoker or any vapor of nicotine who wish to get into CBD. Now let's get started. Setting up your Harmony Pen is simple. Screw the cartridge onto the threaded tip of the Harmony Pen. Inhale through the mouthpiece and enjoy. The tip of the Harmony Pen will glow to indicate that you have enough battery to vaporize. The battery comes partially charged, but it's always better to charge it fully once you get it. To charge it, it's very easy. Unscrew the cartridge from the battery. Twist the battery clockwise onto the USB charger. Be careful not to over-tighten. Plug the USB charger into the USB port or a USB AC adapter. While charging, the USB light will turn red and the tip of the battery will glow. Once it's fully charged, the light on the USB will turn green and the tip of the battery will no longer glow. This may take several hours. A fully charged battery can deliver as much as 500 puffs in a single charge. Before you enjoy your Harmony Pen, keep these tips in mind. This product is for adult smokers only. Also, the cartridges are disposable. We don't recommend refilling them manually as it can create leaking and the coil could be damaged after one usage. We don't recommend using the pen with the cartridges from other brands as we carefully crafted the Harmony cartridge to go with this pen. Lastly, keep in mind to only use your Harmony Pen where vaping is allowed. So it's as simple as that. The Harmony Pen is now available, so please click in the link in the description to get yours. We hope this video has been helpful. If you want to learn more, please hit the subscribe button and follow the adventures of Harmony. Happy vaping with Harmony!